Didn't look windy at all down there. They're waiting to get in to see the show. So it is a complicated story over the next 3 days on the wind. Some parts of the bay are really going to feel this. Others won't. And most of us are probably going to go, it's not really all that windy at my house. At the same time, there are very intense winds going over the mountains and at the beach. So let's talk about how this is coming together. First of all, here's why it's going to happen. Look at this thing sitting out here. Area of low pressure, counterclockwise spin. We've got a weak little system out here. It is not going to bring us rain, but it is an area of low pressure. And it does have some rain in it, but watch what happens. We're going to put this into the futurecast, and we're going to watch the rain work its way inland. It's going to go over the top of California, and it's going to come down through the interior. That's an inside slider. Inside sliders don't give us rain. They usually make it windy as they pass. So that's a little bit of the first element of why is it even getting windy around here. The second element, which is more important, is why is it going to be so much more windy for some parts of the Bay Area than it will be for others? If we look at what the wind speeds are going to be going into the weekend and pair that with the wind streams on the map, when we get into reds on these wind streams showing you how the direction and the flow, the reds show you 50-mile-an-hour gusts. It is going to be very windy over the ocean. But if you're not sitting on the beach, you probably won't feel it as much. In fact, look, generalizing. I'm going to show you wind speed numbers in 1 second in more detail. But generally, San Jose, you're going to be sitting at like a 25-mile-an-hour wind gust through the weekend. You'll notice it. It's breezy, but it's not terribly intense. Meantime, it's going to be nearly 50 at the coast. And look at Mount St. Helena. They're going to have a 50-mile-an-hour wind gust up there. Now, because of those numbers, this does bring out a fire weather watch. And you can see that for the Central Valley out here. So some places do actually have to be concerned from a fire weather standpoint, but it's the Central Valley and Solano County. On the other hand of this, you've got a beach hazard statement out here along the coast. And this has to do with the fact that those 50-mile-an-hour winds rushing down the coast are going to be blowing sand with a good amount of intensity. That actually is part of this beach hazard statement. It's going to go through the whole weekend. 40-mile-an-hour gusts at the beach with blowing sand and dangerous waves. It's not going to be a fun time to be at the beaches over the course of the weekend. It's also going to be a tricky time in the mountains, and that's what I want to talk about in detail. Let's take a look at how the wind's going to play out across the Bay Area, and you see how this will go. You can see the strong winds down the coast in purple, but look over here. This is Saturday. Totally different wind. Those are northeasterly winds. These are northwesterly winds. We're going to be sandwiched. This is why it's a complicated story. You've got your strong northeast winds coming down and hitting the mountains of the East Bay. That's where the fire weather concerns come from. Look at them. They're going offshore. At the same time, you've got your 30 to 40-mile-an-hour gusts going along the beaches coming onshore. Doesn't usually happen this way. It is a complicated setup this weekend. What does it mean for the way it's going to feel for your part of the bay? Well, let's look at tomorrow afternoon as a good example. It'll be breezy, but you're not going to be getting the intensity that those two microclimates will be experiencing. This is really a story for concerns in the mountains, particularly Sunday afternoon and Monday morning, when the strongest winds will be going. And if PG&E has to do any public safety power shutoffs, it's going to be that time frame, second half of Sunday into Monday. And then at the beach, I'd probably avoid it this weekend. It wouldn't be all that fun. All right, the wind's going to calm down by Monday afternoon, and then look at the warm-up. By the time we get into the early and middle part of next week, the wind is gone, and the temperatures start to jump. We're going to be in the low to mid-90s inland by then, and the numbers for the bay in general will warm up into the low 80s by then.